and tell me what.
Yes. We will tell the
I
words.
said I can't say.
You will flip and I'll do the words. Monsieur Albert rides to glory. Next page.
No,
Monsieur Albert Rides to Glory by Peter Smith is a cycling fanatic who lives in a tiny Parisian attic. He picks up the paper at breakfast one day and reads a portrait in his cup. He's watching the race from the street. His bike.
Mom,
Yeah.
do I still have some time to draw after reading?
Yeah, if you finish it all. He buttons his jacket to keep out the cold as he tries to forget that he's 60 years old. There's a hush in the crowd as the mayor lifts his gun. Then an ear-splitting bang and the race has begun. His glasses mist up as he steps up the pace. He waves to the crowd that stands cheering the race. Good luck,
He
Monsieur Albert!
already win.
Yeah, I think so. Oh my gosh, where is he?
Right there.
Right there, in the middle. Oh no, he stops by the road for a bit of a rest. Oh no, he's resting. Eats the crust of his bread. Oh, where is he? Oh no, they're going up the mountain, the snow mountain. Let's see if he's gonna win. Can he avoid it? The answer is no. Wow, good kick, boys.
My turn. Okay, you kick and now I push.
Uh-oh.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanted to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well.
Clothes. Do you know her dress? Dress. Oh, this is Kuya's for tomorrow. Yeah, for tomorrow. Tomorrow, yeah. Mm-hmm. Do you know where that? Okay, come on. Okay, ready? Steady. Do you want to wear that or the skirt? Just the skirt. Here. Which one? Choose. That one? Alright. Thank you. Let me just hang this, okay?
Okay.
You got the skirt? Here.
Mommy. Mommy.
Ready?
Daddy.
Steady.
Me.
Go. Bye. Love you.
I will always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
Hello guys, good morning! 11 na ng umaga. Happy Thursday pala. I have empanadas. Ito yung in-order ko matagal na. Pero freeze ko siya guys kasi marami yung in-order ko last time. This is going to be our lunch. So, medyo frozen pa siya kasi nilabas ko siya mga an hour and a half ago lang. So let's heat it up. I'll do 8 minutes. Oh, tingnan nyo to. Dala-dala niya na naman ang chair. Hi! Wala na. Nilagay ko na sa air fryer. Yeah. Yucky nose? White nose? Where?
I think,
Here.
I do.
Hello. Hello. Guwapa biya na. Ay? It is 9:30 sa Pilipinas. Siguro paalis na kasi na mama papuntang biometrics. So ngayon yung biometric schedule nila guys. For visa pa Australia. Let's go. So, in-apply nga kasi namin ng visa si mama ulit for Australia, diba? So, yung visa na in-apply ko sa kanya is yung tourist visa. Yung regular tourist visa lang. Kasi maraming klase ng tourist visa eh. Nung chinek ko kasi yung visa niya, yun pala yung in-apply ko sa kanya last time. Yung pinaka-recent before this visa application. So, kinapi ko lang siya and yeah, I realized na yun pala yung in-apply ko sa kanya. Kasi yung unang visa na in-apply ko talaga sa kanya was a sponsored family visa. Yun na-approve yun. But then the regular tourist visa was approved as well. So, yeah, yun yung ginawa ko. Ang maganda dito is mas konti yung requirements. Kasi sa sponsored family, daming requirements. Like, may form ako na if-fill out as a sponsor. Kaya ko tinry yung regular tourist visa noon. Na-approve naman siya noon. Tapos binigyan pa siya ng multiple entry. So, we're going for the same visa. So, crossing our fingers na mabilis lang din. Kasi I remember last time, mga 2 weeks lang yun, na-approve na yung visa ni mama. Sa tourist visa ha, sa regular tourist visa lang. So, we'll see. Pero, I still attached my bank statement kasi may letter ako doon na sabi na ako bahala sa lahat ng gastos niya while nandito siya. So like, I'm acting as a sponsor without applying for the sponsor family. So she's a tourist but then I will be shouldering all her expenses. Like, syempre titira siya sa bahay namin. So, may letter ako doon. Tapos, sa letter ko, sinabi ko na I have attached my bank statement to prove na kaya ko siyang suportaan. Yeah. Hopefully, it gets approved. Kasi binasi ko lang talaga siya sa last time na ginawa ko, guys. Yung mga documents na in-attach ko last time, yun lang din yung in-attach ko this time. Why are you so happy? You wanna go for a walk again? We can go for a walk. Umuulan kasi, yung panahon kasi natin, para kasing ewan. And ayoko nang mag-walking sa mall. Okay na tayo sa mall, no? Hintayin na lang natin yung ating lunch. We will have lunch and then you can go sleep, sleep. Yeah! Uy! Mahulog ka. Alright. What's your name? What's your name? How old are you? Magwi-whisper siya. What's your name? Alright, jump to mama. Wait. Jump to mama. Okay? Ready? Here. Ready? Jump! Wow! So strong! Ready? Okay. Alright. Alright, jump to mama, okay? Jump to mama. Ready? Huy, not backwards. Forwards. Like this. Yeah, okay, ready? Steady. Parang buang tatalikod talaga. Let's go. Let's go. Huy, let's go.
Mga sir, dito kami sa magandang bilhin. Kuha kami ng biometrics kami tatlo kasi pagtapos kami.
I don't wanna waste my time, don't wanna waste my mind. I wanna get off this ride, I wanna make it right. 이미 찢어진 맘, I'm ready to go, go low, go low. 이미 오래된 말, you left me alone, alone, alone. I don't hate you, but the way you just grip my heart, break my heart, 날 무너지게 해. You might be 너는 널 위하게가 이젠 아까워. Oh, I never wanted us to be like this. I never wanted to leave. All I ever wanted was to be myself. That's all I wanted. 코끼리야만 하냐고, 떠나야만 하냐고. 떠나는 너의 말은 so alright. 대답하기도 전에 아쉽지만 okay bye.
Guys, kaka-receive ko lang ng email na tapos na yung biometrics ni Mama. Ang bilis. It's currently 12:32 dito. So that means it is 11 sa Pinas, di ba? Ang bilis lang ng biometrics ha, kasi 11 yung schedule niya eh. Parang kaka-11 pa lang dun. But yeah, sabi dito your biometrics have been completed. Please find attached receipt for your record and reference. So let's go to her account and see kung meron tayong kailangan gawin. Yeah, so updated na din yung sa IMI account niya. Sabi dun sa biometrics collection, no further action required kasi nga natapos na niya. So that's good. So waiting game na lang tayo. Yeah, more? Kakagising niya lang. Alright. Yum yum. Yummy, yummy in my belly. All done? Update guys, it is now 3:20. Wala pa yung kids. Maya-maya pa yun kasi dadaan si Dan ng shops. Nagpabili ako ng mga prutas kasi naubusan na kami ng mga prutas. Apple na lang natira guys. Inubos na ni Indy yung, well, mayroon pang watermelon konti. But hindi na to aabot bukas for their lunch. They only have apple left. So, pabili ako ng more fruit at saka ginger kasi maglalaing ako. Ako na talaga ang maglalaing. Di ba, water? Yeah. What do you say? So, i-ready ko na yung ating pork. So, nilabas ko na to kaninang umaga. Tapos, hi, girly. Actually, unahin ko yung ano. What? Onion at saka ito na naman siya. Be, wala pang luto dito, be. Hilaw pa to. Ikaw talaga. Are you eating?
Mama?
Happy day. And then garlic. This is garlic. Uy, ito naman. Ano gagawin mo sa garlic? Garlic, garlic, garlic. Silly day. Have you tried this, Day? I don't think you've tried this. Yeah, I don't think so. You like it? You wanna eat it? You wanna eat laing? Yeah, laing. Yeah, may laing, yeah? So, hiwain na natin to. So, tinatanggal ko yung ano guys, tinatanggal ko yung skin. I only keep the skin kapag nagki-crispy pork ako. Pero yung ibang pork dishes ko, I always remove the skin. Yummy water? Yummy? Good job! Uy, ito, kukuha na naman ng apple. Tingnan mo tong batang to. Buyag ni mo eh. Do you wanna finish the watermelon?
Mama.
Tingnan nyo siya guys.
Mama.
Hmm?
Mama.
Do you want me to cut that?
Please.
Mommy, just wash it and then you eat it whole, okay?
Mama.
Ready? Mommy, wash. Give it to mommy. Mommy, wash. You're welcome. Good manners. Yummy? Sarap naman apple na yan. Tingnan mo to. Do you want mommy to peel it?
Okay.
Mamaya na kasi. Sabi ko mamaya na eh. Kita mo meron tayong ginagawa. Ayun yung skin eh. Ayan mo, iluluwa. Ang galing. It's yummy. You eat it. You can eat the skin. It's not a banana. Bubble gum. Bubble gum. Head? Huh? And you pull it? And you pull it away. Bubble gum. Bubble gum. Pull him away. Careful ha. Garok sa day. Careful. This is not ready yet. It's not cooked. Yeah, not cooked. But we have taro leaves, guys. Di ko alam kung... Migara. Smell it. Good or not good? Good? Lahat man sa'yo, good? No, wait. Dahon man to, day. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kadami. Hindi naman siguro mauubos. No, half lang siguro nito. Yeah, later na yan. Wala pa tayong ginger. Ika. Ika. Aww. She's so excited to see you. Oh, thank you. Thank you, love. Aww. Where's Ate? Hi, beautiful.
Mama, why?
Oranges, bananas, thank you. Nasa loob na yung strawberries.
Oh, why?
What do you mean, why? No, do you want that watermelon? Finish the watermelon.
Mama,
Book? You want to read that book?
Dad.
That's a school book. Good job, Ayla. Well done with your fruit, Bob. That's Ate's book. Can we read your book? The house book? No, she might break it, that's all. Just need you to finish this orange and a little bit of your croissant, please. Look! You can't read this though.
I had half a day on each as well.
Oh, did they? Okay. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Huh? Dad! Oh, don't open that. I need to check your lunch first, Alo. Wow, all done. That book is all done. One more book. Last book, okay?
Mom,
Me and you. Wow, what's this? Okay.
Go!
Dog. Mommy.
Let's go!
Dog.
That one's mine, Mom.
Okay. No, this is Ate's. She's just flicking through. Yay! Kailangan siya batayan kasi inano niya, pinupunit.
Daddy.
Daddy, look. Book. What's that? Alright, all done. Yay! Finish! Well done. Ate's book. Yay! Yay! Good reading! High five! Well done. So they have the same library day now, every Thursday. Good book, Alo! Good book! It says, do you know what it says? Where are you, banana? Banana.
Can I read it
We can read it, yeah.
right now?
Do you want to read it right now? Guys, maaga pa. 4. Kaka 4 lang. But mag-start na tayo magluto because, you know na, habang okay pa ang mga bata, gawin na ang mga kailangan gawin. So, una oil.
Hey, Mama!
Hi, baby! Ayan na naman. Akyat na naman. Itong batang to talaga. Ang galing na niya. Marunong na kasi siya kumuha ng ano. Uy, careful. Nang ito ba? Upuan. So, kailangan talaga bantayan lalo na kapag nagluluto. Alright, what's up?
Up.
Unahin ko yung pork. Mami, put the pork, wait. Unahin ko lang yung pork. So, hindi ito yung authentic na kung paano talaga lutuin yung laing, ha? Ito lang ay ang aking version na ewan ko, ang importante, masarap ang ending. Kasi naalala ko kay Manay, dinediretso-diretso niya, hindi niya ginanito. But gusto ko i-brown yung pork. So, I will do that. No, Bob, no more snacks. Tapos na tayo sa snacks. Sige na. Nilagay ko na guys ang garlic, onion at saka ginger. And ang bango-bango na dito sa aming bahay. Sobrang bango na. Wala pa nga. Kakasimula pa nga lang natin. Mga ilang minuto na lang kasi ilalagay ko na yung coconut cream. You know what? Ilagay ko na yung coconut cream. Kasi itong hat hindi. Garap siya ka dito. Ay. It's hot. Hot, yeah. Bye-bye. Lagay ko na din ang ating bagoong. Ubusin ko na to guys kasi konti na lang to. Ito lang yung gamit ko. Barrio Fiesta na red. Tapos lagyan ko ng konting yellow. Hintayin ko lang na kumulo and then ilalagay ko yung ating leaves. Ilagay ko na pala guys yung leaves. Takpan lang natin. Tapos iwan lang natin siya dyan. Sarap na ng laing guys. Sobrang pinapaano ko lang. Pinapasimmer down yung gata. But this is Daddy's dinner. Steak. Apakalaking steak. Tapos mashed potato and gravy. So yeah, meron siyang mga ready-made na meals, pero mga 2 to 3 nights a week. Nagano pa din yan siya. Nag-iibang dinner ba? Para hindi siya like sobrang magsawa dun sa Master Chef. I-season lang natin to. Oh my gosh, that's big and thick. Tingnan nyo yung laing natin, guys. Ang sarap-sarap na niyan. Nagmamantikan na. Lagay ko na yung sili natin. Ayan. Luto na yan actually. Hinuli ko lang yung sili para may crunch. Kasi gusto ko kainin yung sili mamaya. But that is done, guys. It's very good na din. Guys, ang sarap. Look at that. Our laing and maraming sili. Dito na naman si D. Tapos na sila kumain.
Mommy,
Sili. Tapos na sila kumain kay silang lahat kasi nahuli yung rice ko. Nakalimutan ko. Nintay ko pa yung rice syempre. So, kakaluto lang talaga. Ito, ang dami na nitong nakain do. Pati yung tira ng ating niya, kinain niya pa. Kumain pa ng...
Mommy!
Here. Tapos, of course, kain na naman. Walang uurungan. Batang walang uurungan. Kain tayo, guys. Nakapaghugas na si Dan ng plato. Ng mga pinaglutuan ko. Ng pinagkainan ng mga bata. As in, nakalimutan ko talaga yung aking rice. Ito naman, para naman talaga gutom na gutom. Spicy. Chili man. Ay, ang sarap kain tayo, guys. Ang dami kong niluto. Tapos ako lang mag-isa kakain ito. Oh my gosh, ito. Ikaw. Talaga naman. So, i-ano ko to, i-freeze ko to rin. Spicy lagi. Gara food ay. Agoy ang anghang. Agoy.
Good night, guys. What did you say? Thank you for watching our vlog. And guys, let me show you my roundup and my one-hand card. Let me see.
Huh? I said it's late. It's 8 something now. You gotta go to bed. Alright, quick.
A roundup for one-hand card.
Okay.
What happened? What will happen?
That means we will be sleeping late. Come on. Go. Go, ate.
Night one.
Good job. Alright, Alo's turn quick. Alright, go, ate. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go. Good night.